Good morning, guys. In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select System and go to Backup over here. Now all you have to do is to click on Turn On, and as you can see from now on your account is uploaded here. However, if you are not logged in with your account yet, you will have to provide email address or phone number along with the password just to add it to this device. But once it is, just activate it the way I showed you, and now you can back up your data right now by using this blue indicator. Now just provide your screen lock pattern, and that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.